What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and welcome to another episode of Study Break, where we get to take a break from our busy lives and break. On today's episode, we're gonna be working on the hook, making sure we are nice and clean. But before we get to that, I just wanna mention that if you like this video and support this channel, please press like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. That'll help us out a whole lot. And if you guys wanna support on a higher level, I actually have a Patreon where you could be a supporter, you could be involved in monthly workshops, and just be a part of the conversation for us to grow and become better dancers. Lastly, you guys can support by buying one of these t-shirts. I have a bunch of different varieties of shirts, and I have more that will be coming to you guys very soon. All right, without further ado, let's get down to the floor. All right, you guys, so to start for the hook, we need to work on our squatting position, making sure that we are on our toes. This will make sure that we are light on our feet. With our hands, we will also be on our inner knuckles. So we reach our hands back. And the hook, as you guys know, is pretty simple. If you guys haven't watched my hook video, make sure you guys check that out first. But we're simply gonna go hook, right? This first 10 that we're gonna do, we're gonna really work on our form, wrapping our leg around our ankle, making sure we're still on our toes. And when we switch, we're gonna make the transition nice, simple, but technical, okay? So it goes here, we go out, back, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and switch our weight, and with our opposite foot, we go hook, right? That's 2, ready? We go kick, out, switch our weight, hook, 3, kick, out, switch hands, hook, 4, kick, out, switch hands, hook, 5, kick, out, switch hands, 6, kick out, switch hands, 7, kick out, switch hands, 8, kick out, switch hands, 9, and last one, kick out, switch hands, 10. All right, after that, let's rest our hands, rest our feet for a second. And what I want you guys to think about is when we go kick out, think of heel toe, right? Heel toe, right? That'll help us really stay with the correct form. On to our second 10, going again at a slow pace, really just working on the form of our legs and our weight shift, okay? Starting with our first one, it goes hook, kick out, switch, 2, kick out, switch, 3, kick out, switch, 4, heel toe, 5, heel toe, 6, heel toe, 7, heel toe, 8, heel toe, 9, heel toe, 10. All right, you guys, so now that we have reached 20 total, let's give our legs a rest. And at this point, we will also want to start considering the look of our hook, okay? We want to make sure that our hook itself looks like we are posing for a picture. Like if someone took a picture of our hook, they would be able to put that hook on, you know, a magazine cover or a book, or, you know, somewhere that people will be like, wow, that's a cool freak. So let's consider a couple of things. So when we go to our first hook, let's consider that our leg is tightly wrapped. It's not like loose here, right? It's nice and tightly wrapped. Consider your hand position, okay? Consider your foot position down here. Make sure you're not like sitting, okay? And also consider your other hand, right? Whether it's up here, on your knee, on your hip, on the ground, on your foot, like whatever feels good to you, just try out something, okay? And this time, let's really work on those freezes, okay? We're gonna go all the way to 20 this time, okay? Here we go. Kick out, hook, kick out, hook. That's 3, kick out, 4, kick out, 5, kick out, 6, kick out, 7, kick out, 8, kick out, 9, kick out, 10, kick out, 11, kick out, 12, kick out, 13, kick out, 14, kick out, 15, kick out, 16, kick out, 17, kick out. 18, kick out. 19, kick out. 20. All right, nice job. You guys take a rest. Again, you don't want to put too much stress on your knees, especially when we're going slow. We want to just take a break, let our body like recover a little bit, okay? Now we have reached 40 hooks. We're gonna make our way all the way to 100. We're almost halfway there, okay? So this next 20, now that we have our leg form, now that we have our hand form, let's work on our rhythm. You can do this to music, or you can just simply just count and keep a rhythm in your head, okay? So here we go. Squatting position, hands to the back. So let's try this. It's gonna go hook, kick, out, hook, kick, out, hook, kick, out, hook, kick, out, hook. Let's try it. Ready? Here we go. It goes 1, kick, out, 2, kick, out, 3, kick, out, 4, kick, out, 5, kick, out, 6, kick, out, 7, kick, out, 8, kick, out, 9, kick, out, 10, kick, out, 11, kick, out, 12, kick, out, 13, kick, out, 14, kick, out, 15, kick, out, 16, kick, out, 17, kick, out, 18, kick, out, 19, kick, out, 20. Nice job, you guys. Again, take a break. Now we have reached 60 hooks. We have 40 more to go. And on this next round, we're gonna work on expanding and contracting, right? Making this visual of going open and then close, right? And this is something I think is really important in dancing because it shows contrast, right? Even with simple moves like this, we can show contrast. It's not just like a windmill versus a CC, right? Even just simple things like opening up and closing in, it shows contrast and makes your dancing look a lot more interesting. So with this move, we're gonna start off with the notion that our hook is really small. So meaning when we kick out, we wanna make it big, right? And we can do that in a couple of ways. We can lift our hips up, and then when we do the hook, we go down low. We can also make our hook a little bit more bigger. So when we go kick out, maybe you swing your leg to your hook. And even just simple things by like opening up will make it bigger. So let's try this. Our first 10, let's just try to open up by making our hips higher. And then our second 10, we're gonna do the same thing and swing our leg into the hook. So let's start. Ready? It goes 1, kick out, 2, kick out, 3, kick out, 4, kick out, 5, kick out, 6, kick out, 7, kick out, 8, kick out, 9, kick out, 10. Now swinging your leg. Ready? It goes kick out, 11, kick out, 12, kick out, 13, kick out, 14, kick out, 15, kick out, 16, kick out, 17, kick out, 18, kick out, 19, kick out, 20. So at this point, we have all the tools necessary to make nice and clean hooks. So this round, let's just take advantage of what we know and really focusing on the complete package. Our form for our legs, form for your hands, expanding, contracting, and also the rhythm of the move. This round, feel free to go a little bit faster, but again, always work with good form. Okay, here we go. Ready? And we go hook, kick out, 2, kick out, 3, kick out, 4, kick out, 5, kick out, 6, kick out, 7, kick out, 8, kick out, 9, kick out, 10, kick out, 11, kick out, 12, kick out, 13, kick out, 14, kick out, 15, kick out, 16, kick out, 17, kick out, 18, kick out, 19, kick out, 20. All right, you guys, awesome job. We have reached our goal of 100 hooks. And again, if you want to continue to get better at hooks, keep it going, do another 100. You can follow this video as many times as you like, okay? Again, if you guys support content like this, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, and leave me a comment about what you guys want to see next. And if you guys want to support on another level, you guys should join my monthly workshops listed below on Patreon. And if you really want to be a supporter, make sure you guys grab one of these t-shirts listed on my links below. All right, hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this study break. Talk to you soon. Peace.